So good morning, it's day 11. We're in Navarrete, heading to Najera, something like that. 16 kilometers, a little bit of elevation. More than we've had the last couple days anyway. Pretty good climb, I guess, about 500 meters or so. But yeah, it's supposed to be another good day. I do see some gray clouds up ahead, but I don't know what that means. Looked at the weather last night. I think it's gonna be a little cooler today. Rain tomorrow. But I did see in the future some 80-degree days coming up, so summer's here in northern Spain. Here we go, day 11. Okay, one thing I forgot to tell you is I'm carrying my day pack today. I don't know if you can see it, but it's probably about 5 pounds instead of 20. So I put a tag on my bag and they're just going to transport it up to the next town, or my next stop for €6. Not too bad. Here we go. So it's just around 10 o'clock and I just had some breakfast and thought I'd tell you a little bit about my shoes. My feet have been a problem. I think the combination of the tightness and of my darn tough socks, you know, the way they kind of want to grip your feet a little bit, and the narrowness of my shoes causing blisters on my pinky toe. Well, today I'm going with, and I was wrapping those up with Band-Aids, putting ointment on there to keep them from getting infected, and then wrapping them again with some tape, and then putting on my hard tough socks, putting on my shoes. Well, I think that all that combination together just made it tighter and caused more issues. So today I didn't bandage them at all, and I got a pair of light socks that I brought to actually wear with my slides around town, and no issues so far. Now, that said, I'm walking on flat ground, not much rock, so we'll see if it continues. supposed to have some elevation to climb here, but haven't had any yet. It's 10K to Najera, where I'm headed today. So we'll see what happens.